So, Namaskar all of you. As you know, OPSC has notified Odisha Civil Service 2020 and we are going to start the comprehensive classes for that from January 4th. Okay. So, OS Prelims 2020, this is the first batch. Okay. And these are the numbers which you can contact for admission at the center: Bhubaneswar 76840-54656 and Cuttack 732-590-4599. You can also WhatsApp me at this number 9437002210. So the batch starts on Monday, that is January 4th. So mode is classroom. Now classroom would depend on when Government of Odisha allows the coaching centers to start classroom programs. Okay, so that depends on the permission of the state government, but from 4th online we are starting. The course fee for classroom is 15,000, for online it is 10,000. What it includes, it's basically around 600 hours of exam oriented classes, which will be both live videos and recorded videos. Okay, and the test series also is included in that. Okay, so it covers both papers of prelims exam, that is paper 1 GS and paper 2 CSAT. Okay, and also in the course you will be given two books, one for paper 1, one for paper 2, and the test series is also included in that. 70 prelims tests. Okay, that is included in that. This is the schedule of the theory class for the first batch. Okay, for the first batch this should be the schedule of the theory classes. So we start with history from January 4th, then polity and governance, geography of India, world, and also Odisha will be included, Indian economy, ecology, environment, science and tech, then current affairs, and also simultaneously from the first day we will be going for the paper 2 also, CSAT maths and reasoning, and reading comprehension, interpersonal skills and communication, and decision making. Okay, these are the things which will be, and this is the tentative schedule, right? So it will be starting from 4th of January, that is Monday. Okay, and the live class time generally would be around 4 to 8. Okay, that would be the time. So within that time you will be having the live classes 4 to 8. So it can be 4 to 7, generally 3 hours live class you will have, and then recorded classes will also be there. So per day generally you should be prepared for at least 6 hours of classes. Okay, so in that way we can complete 600 hours. Okay, basically, and that would also include other current affairs and other discussions and all. So either 4 to 7 or 5 to 8, one slot you will be having the live class. Recorded class is at your discretion. Whenever you want you can go through the videos. What are the advantages of this? The videos have no restriction, unlike many tablet courses are there where it's like 48 hours or let's say 7 days. After that you will not be able to access the video. Nothing of that sort. Here you can play it multiple times and you can also access it till you want. Okay, it will be there in your dashboard. So there is we do not delete it from our side, right? So these are the provisions. In any other doubts if you have, you can call the centers, okay, Cuttack and Bhubaneswar center, or any other doubts you can WhatsApp me at 9437002210. So best wishes for the preparation, and prepare hard, because it's very unlikely that so many group A posts will come in the near future. Okay, more than around 250 group A posts. Okay, so best wishes. Namaskar.